What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your tail light off your F150, just in case you need to replace the light, the bulb, or in my case fix the dent. First thing you got to do is move the tailgate out of the way. Now as soon as you have this out of the way, you can see there's these two screws. One screws down here, one screws up here. They're both a 8mm bolt. Just unscrew those. These are the main things, just holding it in. Now just take a pry bar and pop open the lens. Now that it's been popped out, this is where you can replace the bulbs if you need them, or unscrew this, take the lens off and replace it. For me, I need to get back down here to pop out this dent. This is also the best time to clean out the inside portion of this thing, because dirt and grime and all that gets to build up in here once you're on the road, and you can't really get access to this without removing this light. So this is the best time to do this. Once you're done with whatever you're doing, just put it back in, put those two screws back in, and you're good to go again. And hope this helped you guys out. Catch you in the next one.